Ginebra matching against Token Tex. Kasi pound for pound, mas malakas yung lineup nila eh. Kumbaga, mas high maintenance yung mga players nila eh. No? Kung pag-uusapan natin yung sweldo, yung mga status dito dun sa liga. Kasi kahit sa modelin yan, di ba? Ahan Misi, superstar dati ng Converge, di ba? Si Holt, superstar dati ng Terra Firma, and so on and so forth. Ano yung nakita mo na naging problema dun sa pag-mix no, ni Coach Tim Cone?
Tingnan lang natin sa paper, pound for pound, body for body, they have the most talent across the board. Pero the problem is in basketball, it's 5 people on the floor altogether and you need a chemistry. TNT has players that have played with each other. Ang bago lang dyan is Nambata, who started this last 2 conferences, traded from Rain or Shine. But you have a Ginebra team na bago si Troy Rosario, and he started. He was a starter in, I think, 4 of the 7 games. So Troy Rosario is still learning the system of Tim Cone. RJ Abarrientos is a rookie. Stephen Holt, bago rin, galing Terra Firma. And then you have Jamie Malonzo, who was away from the team for 9 months, recovering from an injury. And yung sinabi nga ni Boss Dodo na too many superstars. Ahan Misi was a starter at Converge, and now he is begging for minutes dyan sa ano. And these are superstar max players na don't necessarily do the dirty work.
Correct.
And to cement the point of Boss Dodo, you have Kobontin. Ginebra doesn't have a Kobontin. Diba?
Aurin.
Yung bang role player, Aurin, even Rason, even Barilla, that, just go there, play 3 minutes and be happy with it.
And ang maganda pa dito, Boss. Yung Kelly Williams na dating superstar, alam na niya yung kanyang role-playing na lang.
Correct. And, in and out of the starting lineup, walang problema. Just go there. Sometimes switch si Coach Chot Reyes, mag-switch ng defense, offense. And, like I said, you don't see the body language. Di mo nakikita nagreklamo. So it was the chemistry. And then, of course, I've harped on this point, yung inconsistency din lang mga stars nila. Like Jamie Malonzo. Had 6 3-point shots in 1 game, completely disappears in other games. In Game 7, he was 0 for 5, played for 31 minutes, only 2 free throws.
Tsaka boss,
so ganon, kailangan consistent.
Hindi, actually, may mga role players naman yung Ginebra di ba? Ayan yung pinopoint out din ng mga fans yung Nards Pinto, yung Aljon Mariano, yung mga Adamos, di ba? Bakit hindi nagamit?
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi
yes, they had as much playing time as me.
Ako boss, kung hihingan nyo ako ng analogy sa lineup ng Ginebra, dun sa rotation yung rotation hindi yung lineup mismo kasi may mga role players talaga sila boss eh. Ang problema, boss, parang tayo sa bahay, Boss Dodo, Boss Homer, yung lahat tayo mga amo, di ba sino ini-expect mo maglilinis ng banyo? Sino magtitiklop ng mga damit? Di ba? Lahat tayo amo eh. Di ba? Not unless, ako gagampanan ko, boss, ako na magtitiklop nito, ako na mag-uurong, di ba? Ako na maglilinis ng banyo, o relax na lang kayo. Kaso walang ganun dun, puro superstar yan eh. Di ba? And hindi rin natin pwedeng alisin sa Ginebra na magpapataasan ng ihi yan. Inilagay mo si Troy Rosario, dating superstar ng Blackwater. May Maverick Ahan Misi ka. May RJ Abarrientos ka na napakabata pa, pero ang taas na agad ng ere. Di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos may Justin Brownlee ka pa. Meron ka pang Scottie Thompson. Talagang yun, karambola yan, 'di ba? Yan yung parang Detroit Pistons at Los Angeles Lakers nung araw, 'di ba? Boss Dodo. Walang pinag-iba sa atin sa spin yan, Boss Dodo eh. Kung lahat tayo mga superstar, ayan, superstar kaming tatlo ng spin no? I already announced that, okay? Ito yung tatlong superstars ng spin. Okay, superstar din sila sila Boss Jerry. Pero yung iba na, Boss Ruben. Ngayon, kung kami yung aasahan nyo lang, puro kami mga superstar, puro PBA, tsaka mga high stakes, mga sports lang ang i-cover namin. Yung mga ibang sport na mga mabababa na gusto rin, wala magko-cover nun. Di ba, Boss Do? Tama? Kung wala tayong mga bata, di ba?